Welcome back, viewers. You're watching Republic TV, and we're bringing you the extensive coverage of the assembly election results from Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir all throughout the day. You have to understand the early trends for the Haryana assembly elections will start trickling in shortly. The key players to remember are the BJP, the Congress, the JNLP, and the JJP, and the INLD, my bad. And the exit polls at this point suggest that the Congress are likely to go for a clean sweep after the BJP's three-term rule in Haryana. Let's look at the numbers and what they say.
The election results to the 90-member Haryana Assembly will be announced today. The BJP and the Congress both expressed confidence on winning the polls.
बड़े विश्वास के साथ कह रहे हैं कि हरियाणा में बड़े बहुमत से कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी। कल आप देख लेना, जब गिनती हो संख्या में मतदान हुआ हरियाणा में, सभी लोग और शांति प्रिय तरीके से जो पूरा चुनाव की प्रक्रिया संपन्न हुई, तो सभी हरियाणा के मतदाताओं का भी
हमने जो हरियाणा को एक नई गति विकास की देने का काम किया है। 8 अक्टूबर को भारतीय जनता पार्टी तीसरी बार बहुत बड़े मैंडेट के साथ आ रही है।
But the exit polls predict a Congress victory in Haryana. As per the Republic Matri's exit poll, the BJP is projected to win 18 to 24 with a 30.3% vote share. Congress is expected to win 55 to 62 with 35.8% vote share. JGP plus 0 to 3 with 6.6% vote share. As per Republic PMark exit poll predictions, the BJP is projected to win 27 to 35 seats of the total 90 seats in Haryana. Indian National Congress Plus, on the other hand, is expected to make a comeback with 51 to 61 seats. Others can get 2 to 5 seats. The Congress is expected to dethrone the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party in Haryana by bagging nearly 60 seats in the 90-member assembly, where the majority mark is 46.
2005 से लेकर 2014 तक कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार थी। उस सरकार की उपलब्धियां और 14 से 24 तक बीजेपी और जेजेपी की सरकार थी, इनकी विफलताएं आज 14 से 24 के बीच में हरियाणा नंबर 1 हो गया। बेरोजगारी में, महंगाई में, कानून व्यवस्था चरमरा गई। मुख्यमंत्री का सवाल यह है कि विधायकों के मत जाने जाएंगे और हाईकमांड फैसला करेगी, जिसको फैसला होगा सबको मान्य होगा।
In the 2019 Haryana Assembly elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party secured 40 of 90 seats, while the Congress won 31 and the Janayak Janata Party claimed 10. While the sentiment is in Congress' favor, can the results be projected nationally as well?
Alright, so like we told you, the BJP is looking to retain power in the state of Haryana after coming to power for 2 consecutive terms. Meanwhile, the Congress is looking to decimate BJP, in fact, banking on that anti-incumbency wave. This, while there are clearly 2 divisions in Haryana Congress, one of Bhupinder Hooda and the second of Selja Kumari, the latter having been sidelined by the party while also being projected as a CM face, as a prominent Dalit face at the same time.
The Haryana Assembly was a multi-cornered contest. BJP, Congress and AAP are all vying for the state. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, said a storm is coming in Haryana.
चुनाव में कांग्रेस पार्टी स्वीप करने जा रही है, आंधी आ रही है। हम सबकी सरकार बनाएंगे, किसी एक की सरकार नहीं होगी, पूरे हरियाणा की सरकार होगी।
The Congress is fighting for resurgence after 10 years as an anti-incumbency sentiment grew against the BJP. Former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda maintains a stronghold over the Jat vote bank. Internal tussle, farmers' angst were other factors working against the ruling BJP. Prime Minister Modi, however, said the Congress was delusional.
और कांग्रेस कभी भी खुद मेहनत नहीं करती। कांग्रेस को लगता था कि 10 साल हो गए, हरियाणा वाले उन्हें थाली में परोसकर सत्ता दे देंगे। यही गलतफहमी कांग्रेस को मध्य प्रदेश में भी थी। वहां भी कांग्रेस के लोग पहले ही जीत का जश्न मनाने लग गए थे।
The exit polls, however, predict a Congress mandate in Haryana. Also in the fray is the Aam Aadmi Party with Kejriwal on bail promising free electricity.
पूरे देश में 2 राज्य हैं बस जहां बिजली फ्री में मिलती है और 24 घंटे मिलती है, दिल्ली और पंजाब। मैं आपसे और सबसे महंगी बिजली कहां मिलती है? हरियाणा में।
But with Arvind Kejriwal facing agency heat in Lickgate, the party seems to have made little impact. The Indian National Lok Dal and the Janayak Janata Party are also expected to bag a sizable number of seats in the Haryana Assembly. Whether exit polls will stand true or not will be made clear in a few hours.